Good morning, guys. Yep, it's Wednesday. I'm on my way to the office, but currently, well, in slow traffic. Enjoying breakfast while driving. Today's overcast, gloomy. So yep, time to get to the office. It's a perfect match.
Stars over Amsterdam.
Nice screensaver. Well, new lunch break. Bathroom break.
So let's get moving.
Back at HQ with that sweetheart of a doggy, Chibi. Yeah. Hey dear. Hey cutie, yes. Oh. Sweetie. I love you, Chips. I love you, yeah. Well, I got a couple of newspapers to read. So I'm starting out with yesterday's newspaper first, to read them chronologically. And these are the headlines. And then continuing with today's newspaper. Yeah. Look at that, guys. New York. Oh, poor people there. Man, I sure hope they'll get back on their feet quickly. Oh, my sweet doggy. How cute you are lying there in your basket. In your little doggy bed. Hey, Chibi. Yeah. Sweetums. Chibi. Hiya. Hi. Hi, Chibi. Yeah. Ah. Well, enjoy your rest there, Chibi. Gonna watch a movie on this Halloween. Puppetmaster Part 2. So that should be a perfect Halloween movie. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you again tomorrow. Hey, cheerio.
Hello, Dr. Green Thumb. Paging Dr. Green Thumb.